What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y. with the Rich. And yes, sir, man, we back. Oh man, whoo! Got a lot to talk about, man. But right now, man, today I am back on the Delta 88, man. As y'all can see, man, it's still in the same spot, man. Haven't did anything, haven't did much to this car, man. Just been having so much going on, y'all, man. Got life going on, man. I'm putting my hand in so much stuff, man. We're getting into real estate. We're trying to get into real estate. We got our businesses and stuff, man, that we're running. Man, there's so much, man, that we got going on. But man, I gotta get back to what I love to do, man. That's work on vehicles, man. Get back to myself, man. Get back to what brings me peace besides the Lord, you know, besides the word of God. But this will bring your boy peace, man. So as you see, man, it is still in the same state that was in. I know my brother been waiting on this, and he ain't been pressuring me or nothing like that, man. So man, I appreciate you for not pressuring me on getting this done. But today, man, what I'm gonna try to do, try to work on the fuel system, try to get this tank down, man. Hopefully this tank is in good enough condition to reuse. I get the tank down today, and maybe try to get a hole drill out so I can go and start routing the Holley Terminator X wiring harness. So if I can get that done, get that in, hopefully we'll be able to get that done today, man. So it's a beautiful day, man. Yes, sir. So man, y'all come on with your boy, man, D.I.Y. the Rich, man. Y'all like, subscribe, share, hit that thumbs up button, man. Hit that notification bell so y'all can get all my new videos, man. All right, let's go. All right, man. So let's get up on here, man. Let y'all see this, man. This thing is nasty. Thing nasty. Rusted, man. I really don't know if I even want to use this. Just depending on how the gas look. But it sound like it's empty. So after these scraps, man, all this stuff rusted. Get up on here, man. Get up on here and see what we gotta do. All right, look like we gotta, man, I'm gonna have to spray them things down and get them two off, man. I'm gonna drop this tank. I'm just gonna drop it and see if I can see the lines. They got the lines right there going that way. I gotta get that fuel. I gotta get that fuel pump below this tank some kind of way. Cause I'm put an inline fuel. Let me get out of here. Yeah, man. So I gotta put an inline fuel pump in, man, cause the fuel tanks for this car, man, this fuel pump ready. With the end tank fuel pump, man, they is super high. They're super high, man. So I'm trying to work on getting that out, getting that down. Hopefully I can get it loose. I'm gonna spray it down with some WD, let it sit a little bit. And then we're gonna see if we can get that loose, man. All right, y'all stay tuned. I'm back up on this thing, man. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the dry line, man. Show y'all everything. Look, I do got the dry shaft in here. I got some stuff done, man. Off camera. During my time I've been gone, I did get some stuff done, man. Let me show y'all what I got. Y'all see, we do got the dry shaft in. We got one header on. We put the other header on because I got to, those that know about the LS motors, on that side, you got your sensors. I think it's in your crank position sensor on that side. So you gotta get your wire harness hooked up before you put your starter on. So that's why I ain't put the headers on, because it ain't no way I'll be able to get all that done. So let's see, man. Get my WD-40, man. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this thing down. All right. Hit this other one. Get out of the way. All right. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, man. Then I'm gonna put the little impact on. Hopefully it'll come loose. All right. All right, gang. So I went on and tried to just do it, man, because it felt like it was like until I got that other scrap off, and I realized that it wasn't light. So right now, she hanging a little bit. So, all right, man. So, looks like we ain't gonna be able to finish this getting this fuel pump in, cause this tank is too bad, man. We're gonna have to wind up replacing it, man. I thought maybe we just lift a little surface rest. Little surface rest. Get the sun out my face. Little surface rest, but man, it's worse than I thought it was gonna be. You don't need to even try to tighten nothing into this, man. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, man. So y'all see, I'm gonna cut those lines, and what I'm doing, I'm gonna route the new lines along with the old lines. But you look at this, man. It's too bad, man. I mean, look at this. Yeah, that's in the end ain't no good, man. So I'm gonna get this tank out of here, and yeah, man, just empty it, let it dry out, and throw it away and get new one, bro. You got some body work to do, brother. You gonna be replacing these. I know he said he's gonna do a lot of work on this car, replace a lot of the floor pans and stuff like that. Trunk pan, that's the trunk. That right up on there look brand new. And then, you know, over there. But anyway, I'm trying to finish getting this out, man. And I'm gonna get the lines ran today. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead on and focus on. I guess I'm gonna go ahead on and just focus on trying to get that 2-inch hole cut out, man, for the Holley Terminator X, man. I need to try to go and get that routed. I'm trying to make this a clean build, man. I want this to be my cleanest one, man. So I'm gonna focus on that, man, and get that fuel tank out, and then I'm gonna come back over here and see how I'm gonna route this Holley. All right, y'all stay with me. All right. So I decided, man, to go with a 2-inch hole saw, and the reason why, because all of this gotta go inside through the hole. So it's everything from the front of it, and it's gonna stop there, and all of this here, that's gonna be in the inside. So I know it's gonna be a little bit bigger than what I would like, but this is 2-inch. So we're gonna try to see if we can get the drilled out with that. All right. All right, man. So y'all see, man, it's real tight back there. So I'm thinking about going down low and having to come up behind it like that. You know, down low and then up and behind the engine and route everything, man. Hopefully everything will look good. All right, so let's get it. All right, man. So let's start here. Let's see. So I'm thinking, man, I'm thinking about right there. I'm thinking if I can get that drill in there, go straight that way, then I can come up from out of there up into the glove compartment. This glove compartment right here. And maybe drill a hole in there. You know what I mean? Try to make it clean. And we'll set the Holley ECU up in here. And the relays. So everything, you won't have a glove compartment, bro, but at least you'll have your Holley in there. You might be able to put a couple pennies in there. Alright. So I'm I think I'm gonna drill out. Let's see. That's way over there. I'm thinking maybe we can get in here. I don't know, gang. Let me think about this, how I'm gonna do this, because I don't want to mess up. I'm thinking, man, we can get in there. I can get it in there right there and get the harness out right there. All right, I'm gonna try this. All right, I'm trying to do this one hand. First hole. All right, so I'm gonna have the wire come out of there. The front of the harness and everything, and the ECU, we'll try to mount it. Try to mount it up in here some kind of way. All right, that's the first hole, gang. So I'm gonna try to get this other hole. I ain't gonna be able to record this one, cause I'm gonna need to have both hands. Gonna be going through metal. So, all right, y'all stay tuned. All right, man. So, man, I ain't even want to show y'all what your boy. I'm all sweaty, man. I ain't even want to show y'all what your boy went through to get this thing, get that Y harness up in there, man. Let me just show y'all what we got, man. Oh, I got it done, man. Got it done. Let me show y'all this. All right. Man, check it out. Got the Y harness up in there. Coming from down there. You can see the side back there. Got it all the way up on the motor. We got it on the motor, man. Yes, sir. So I can start going ahead on, start hooking up all my sensors and everything, man. I can go on, put my crank sensor on, go on, put my starter in, and I can go on, put the headers on this side, man. So I can go on, get through with that, get that button on. Did find another issue, man. I don't know if y'all can see in there. Let me see if I can zoom in. You probably can't see it, man. But what my transmission lines is, my transmission line right up against the body, man. So I'm gonna have to drop all this again and probably put a different type of fitting on the transmission line so it won't be up on the motor. I mean, not on the motor, but on the body of the car, man. Yeah, buddy. Take y'all to the inside. Go to the inside of this thing, man. Alright. Yeah, I can see, man, I got my connectors coming out right there. Probably give me a little bit more slack on that, depending on how y'all can see. Relay right here. Going through. I ain't gonna get me a grommet and put around that. That way nothing cut into the wires. Yeah, man. Man, we having a little progress, man. I probably off camera, man. Probably gonna go ahead on get all this stuff hooked up, man. See how Holley want this thing hooked up. Show y'all this tank, man. I did call my brother, man. Told him ain't no need need mess with that tank, man. Yeah, man. That's over with. So I'm finished getting that out. Man, that's gonna be it, man. I'm waiting on him to get a new tank. We'll put a whole brand new tank up in it, man. Yeah, man. So I think I'm done with the film of the day, man. I'm done with the film of the day, man. Tired. Oh, man. I just got so much going on, man. But man, to be honest, man, I almost thought about quitting YouTube, man. Thought about just hanging it up. And the reason why, man, cause get a lot of people out there that's trolling, man. They be trolling, man. You know, Mr. D.I.Y. never said that he knew everything or knew how to do everything, man. This is a D.I.Y. channel. So a lot of time, man, when I'm doing this stuff, I'm doing it for the first time. And I'm showing y'all that y'all can do for the first time. So, you know, man, you know how that is, man. You get people that think they know everything. But more power to you, man. But I think I'm gonna keep doing it, man. See the C10 in the back, man. She coming, man. She coming. Mom, build me a brand new motor from scratch, man. Told y'all, man, I ain't doing no more. No more swaps for nobody, man, unless they taking their motor to the machine shop, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. See, got a little surface rust on the top, man. I'm cleaning all that off. I'm about to get ready to build this motor. This is 6.0 for one of my partners. But yeah, man, clean it up, wash it down real good, new cam bearings, everything. Been to the machine shop. So this motor getting all new stuff, man. Been home, everything. So that's what we're talking about, man. Yeah, man. So, you know, that way, man, you get your bill and you know you got a reliable motor, man. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all checking in with your boy, man, Greg with D.I.Y. Listen. Like I said, man, like, subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, man. I might stick it out, man. I might keep doing the YouTube thing. I don't know. It's time consuming, man. Take up a lot of your time. And I got a lot of stuff going on. But man, y'all comment, man. Comment, let me know, man, what y'all think, man. Y'all think I should keep going with the YouTube, man? I don't know. But anyway, man. Like I always say, man, at the end of my videos, man, My favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthened me. You can too. Man, I appreciate y'all checking in with your boy. We out.